In this video, I'm going to go over and review with you the 4 inequality symbols and some other word phrases that you can use for those symbols. So one of the inequality symbols would be less than, but there are some other word phrases that would go with less than, phrases like smaller than or below. And what I want to go through is the other 4 symbols with you and other word phrases. So if we say x is greater than, and I usually write my x on the left side of my equation. So if x is greater than, that would be one of the word phrases. Another word phrase would be more than, above, or you could say larger than. And now when you're graphing each of these, you're going to circle the number and leave it open and not shade it in. But on this symbol here, x is less than or equal to, this symbol would have a closed circle, and likewise with this one, you would have a closed circle because of the equal to line underneath. So this phrase is similar to this one, but we're going to have the word equal to, so less than or equal to. So that would be one phrase. You could call this a maximum. You could say up to, you could say at most, you could say no more than, no more than. You could also say no greater than. And then for our last symbol here, x is greater than or equal to. Additional phrases would be minimum, at least, no less than, no smaller than. And now what I want you to do is take a look at the phrases below and see where we have them listed up here and try to fill out the symbol that would match. And what I'm going to do is say, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can find the phrase, and if you can't find it, give it a guess, and then I'll go through the answers for the phrases below. So you should see in your list here, at least is over here, so the symbol that would match would be greater than or equal to. No more than would be less than or equal to, and we have that here. More than would be up here, so that's a greater than symbol. Less than is over here, so less than. At most, less than or equal to. Minimum is over here, so greater than or equal to. Maximum we had over here, less than or equal to. The phrase up to, less than or equal to. And then fewer than, I don't think I have on my list. Fewer than would mean less than. We want fewer than, so let's actually add fewer than to our list.